everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a haul for you, and you guys know I love hauls and I just love buying clothes and stuff. I hadn't bought anything for a really long time just because I've been trying to save money, but I needed to buy a couple of things because I went to Paris and I was just feeling shoppy. So I went on a little shop on ASOS, Pretty Little Thing and Missguided. The usual, those three are just my top. Let me know some stores that you love to shop from or that you'd love to see me buy from and maybe try on my channel, because I don't know, I just really want to know. I just wanted to apologize as well for being a little bit inactive this year again on my channel. I had kind of got in the mode of uploading twice a week, then I kind of like decreased a little bit. I've just been feeling a little bit uninspired. I've actually been vlogging more lately, so be sure to follow my vlog channel too, because if you guys didn't already know, I love creating films, like kind of just anything creative, and I think you guys would really like the vibe of my vlogs if you haven't already seen them. So be sure to check it out if you haven't already. I think you guys will really like it, and that's where I've been more. I feel like I've been putting more effort into my second channel just because it's been making me really happy. So I am still creating, but I'm just trying to think of what kind of videos I'm going to be putting on this channel. Let me know, be specific on the kind of content that you want to see from me, just because I don't know, I just feel like as I change as a person, my channel isn't going to stay the same, so I just kind of need you guys to let me know what you guys want to see, and I obviously still want to create the stuff that I love, which I feel like is kind of going up on my vlog channel at the moment. So yeah, be sure to check that out. I'll leave my last video up here on the eye. I can't remember which side. I think it's this side. I'll leave my latest video. I actually show you guys how I edit my Instagram pictures, so be sure to watch that after this one, and then be sure to follow me on Instagram after this too. And I'm gonna stop mumbling now. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my second channel, and let's get into this haul. Let's go. So, as you guys know, I'm an ASOS addict. I hold my hands up and I'll say it, I love ASOS. I actually bought a pair of sunglasses and they're all the way across the room and I really don't want to get up. Does anyone relate to me? I'm gonna pop a picture right here what these sunglasses look like, but I got these from ASOS, and the funny thing is I actually ordered another pair and something different came, but I feel like I preferred the glasses that actually came by mistake. I just love anything circular, honestly. I think they're so cool. I just love that kind of like, you know. I do have a vlog from Paris up, by the way. Very proud of it. Like, I literally love that vlog so much.
Yeah. In the light of the city, your legs are...
Linking it in the eye just here as well. Be sure to check that out because I freaking love it. It's honestly just like one of my favorite vlogs ever. I also picked up, which I love this. I got this Vans jumper and I am obsessed. The colors are just amazing. It's got this stripe kind of print going all across. It's on the back as well, so it's kind of just like the same at the front and the back, and it goes across the chest area saying Vans, of course, with the stripes, and I just love this retro feel to it. And then it's got the Vans check going down the arm. A really good quality sweatshirt. I feel like it's like nice to keep you warm, but it's not too thick as well, so I think this is great for winter, spring. I also picked up this coat from ASOS, and this was my life in Paris. It kept me so warm, but it looks amazing at the same time. Actually, that kind of like faux shiny leather-esque material. It doesn't feel like leather at all. And then it's got, of course, like the faux wool on the inside too. I really like this. It's actually from the brand Bershka. It's only, I think, £70, but for a coat like this, I know £70 can be quite a lot of money, but for a good coat, I honestly love this, and I've been looking for a good coat that could keep me warm for a while, and I love this, and it looked so nice. That as well from ASOS. And then lastly, I got a pair of shoes. I haven't laced these up yet because they're Vans, and if you guys have ordered Vans before or bought Vans before, you know that they never come laced. So I actually bought these, and I know these look kind of crazy because they're not laced yet, but they're checkered, and they have like the two different styles of checkered on them. The large, like original OG Vans check, and then you've got that kind of like smaller check. As you guys know, I love Vans, and when I saw these I was like, yeah, they're very me, so I just decided to pick those up. And it wouldn't be a Leyla haul without a pair of trainers. Am I right? On the topic of shoes, I picked these up from Pretty Little Thing. If you guys watched my vlog, then you may have already seen these, the notorious shoes that make me like 6 foot. No, I'm kidding. I'm only 5'4", so I'm not tall at all. But these made me literally like 5'10" or something. These are freaking massive. Like look at this compared to the size of my head. Like, can we just? I wore these all night. They were super comfortable and I really like these. The only thing is that they do make me super tall. Also from Pretty Little Thing, as you guys know, I love being comfortable. This isn't more so to style, this was more because it just looked like the most comfortable thing I've ever seen in my life. And that's this hoodie. It actually has wool on the inside. It's got this like cream camel color fur on the inside, not real fur obviously, almost like an unsaturated navy, so it looks kind of like a grey navy. I don't know how I would style this. I generally just got this because it looked really warm and I love wearing hoodies around the house, so I kind of just picked this up for comfort more than anything. Also from Pretty Little Thing, I picked up this shirt and oh my goodness you guys, I love anything with stripes on it. I actually got this in a medium because they ran out of small, and I just love this stripe detail. It's so retro looking and I just love anything like that. It's cropped, but because I have a medium it's quite oversized on me, but I really like that actually. It looks even more old school, if that makes sense. So I really like the way that this looks. I love that it's white. You can't go wrong with simple t-shirts like this, but I love that it has that rainbow stripe detail on it. I just literally love it. You guys know I love a bit of red. I've been coming off red a little bit now that we're in spring, but I saw this and I just decided to get it because it's just a basic. You'll notice that a lot of the stuff that I kind of bought throughout this haul, a lot of them are just basics and I really love that. So I decided to get this because it's kind of like off the shoulder, it's nice and red, it's like really romantic looking. I really like this. I think it's just really simple, so I decided to pick this up too, and I really like it. And it's just like that normal stretchy thin material, so I can wear this all throughout summer, which is great. It is cropped as well and it just fits really nicely. Next from Pretty Little Thing, I have this oversized hoodie. It's in this camel nude color and I did wear this in Paris as well. I love this because it's oversized, so it kind of covered my butt, so I wore leggings with this and it was just the perfect kind of like winter outfit. Like I said, it's still cold in Europe, so me being in the UK and then when I wore this in Paris, it was perfect for that. But I know that we are obviously going into spring, so a lot of you guys could just wear this on its own, but I actually layered that biker jacket that I bought on top of this and I love the way that it looked. Next I got this, and I actually have the funniest story to tell you about this cropped crew neck. I've either got to buy another one because I loved it so much, or I need to get the vanish out and try and get this stain off it because I'm so gutted, you guys. I obviously took this to Paris as well and I was wearing it and I took it off, I put it in my suitcase, and there was actually these little cupcakes that were brought to our hotel room, and then it had this bright pink icing on it and it like fell into my suitcase, and the icing was so soft it just like went all over the sleeve, and I was like, look how dark that is. That's how much food coloring must have been in it. Anyway, I like tried to get it off, but it was like this was all I could do. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to get this off. I'm going to try my hardest. I'll keep you posted on the Instagram stories if I manage to get this off. But honestly, I was so gutted. Like when Sabrina was in the room with me and I was like, Sabrina, look what happened. Just love this so much. I honestly feel like it's such a nice basic to have, and I know I'm going to wear it a lot if I manage to get the stain off. If not, I'm buying another one because that's how much I love this. This is of course from Pretty Little Thing as well, and it's just like nice and simple, and I really love simplistic stuff. Also from Pretty Little Thing, I picked up this top that I'm wearing now. It has the frills at the top and then frills at the bottom and around the sleeves. It's like really simple and nice, and I just really like this. So then lastly from Misguided, I actually bought more from Misguided, but I had to return it because a couple of things didn't work out. I actually bought this hoodie and it's quite oversized, but it's not supposed to be. I bought this in a size 14. That way it's really oversized. It just looks like an oversized hoodie with a really interesting fit because it's ruched around the arms and around the bottom hem. So it just looks really different to a normal black hoodie, and I decided to wear this again in Paris. I just wore it as like a draped kind of hoodie effect. This was really nice just to layer on top of what I was wearing, and it just looked really nice and oversized. And lastly, I picked up two basic t-shirts. It's just literally a cropped t-shirt in navy. I also bought the same in grey, which is inside out currently. Bought the same in grey. That is literally the last that I bought. As you can see, I didn't actually buy as much in this haul as I normally do, just because, I don't know you guys, I sometimes feel like it's really stressful and boring going through too many clothes, because it kind of means I can't talk about it, and also I don't want this video to be too long. Let me know if you like slightly shorter hauls, or if you want me to just gather my clothes closer together and do one massive haul. But I'm gonna try and do at least one haul a month from now on, just because from here on out, especially as the weather's getting warmer, I just know I'm gonna be getting so many any clothes. So definitely thumbs up for more hauls, and let me know again, like I said, down below if you want to see me try and buy stuff from eBay, Amazon, if you want to see me like buy things from other places that aren't the typical, you know, normal places, then be sure to let me know down in the comments just to switch things up a little bit. And if you guys are feeling helpful today, please let me know what kind of content you want to see on this channel. Like I said, I'm feeling a little bit uninspired, but I'm trying to just like keep my mind in the most inspired place. Like I said, I've been creating a lot on my vlog channel, so be sure to check out my vlog channel too. And that's it from me today. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.
Baby, I won't take